Many of us already finished Half Life Alyx, but that doesn't mean that we have to stop having fun with it. There are many things that you can do. You can replay on hard mode, for example, find all the Easter eggs, or just bring the gnome to the end of the game. But if you did already those stuff as well, probably it's time to start to mod, because we're still waiting for the SDK directly from Valve, so the best is still to be expected, but that doesn't mean that some people are not already modding this game to add amazing new modes to give us even more time to spend in this game and to try different modes. Hey guys, Ty here, so in this video we're gonna see how to mod Half Life Alyx with one of the few mods available right now. It's very interesting and it's gonna allow us also to keep in our hands that infamous crowbar for real. Let's get into it. Okay, so this mod was released during the weekend from Manello, but this is gonna bring a Horde mode on Half Life Alyx in a new complete map with different Easter eggs in there as well, secret rooms, and a vending machine with all the stuff that we need to go through different hordes. I know, Horde mods don't have the best reputation in VR. We had so many Horde games in the past, and so we are kind of done with it, but in this way we're gonna be able to get back to the super good and amazing gameplay that we have in Half-Life Alyx and bring it to a new life. So let's get to the installation right away and then let's see it together, right? The first thing to do is to go on GitHub, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, by the way, and download this part of the software. When we have that downloaded, of course, we have to extract it via 7-zip or stuff like that, and then after extracting it, of course, we copy and paste all the content on the Half-Life Alyx game HLVR folder that you're gonna find in the usual path for Steam apps. That is the usual Steam apps, common, Half-Life Alyx, game HLVR. At the point we are pretty much done, because the step number 3 is to go on Steam library and then right click on Half-Life Alyx, go to properties, go to set launch option, and we have to write this thing over here, plus map space warehouse. At that point, final step and step number 4, just to click play on Half-Life Alyx and enjoy the new mode. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, and here we are in this new map. Oh, let's get that. It's gonna be needed, I guess. Who are you, lady? Oh, I'm sorry. What was that? Let's start. Okay, so these, we're gonna use these ones to actually buy. There's there. To buy new things, but and usually enemies, when you kill them, they drop them, so. Oh, or they're just around. Woo! Another one. And we have a vending machine over there. Oh, that has to be something up there. And that's super cool because that's a... Whoa. Trying to explain stuff here. It's super easy. You just click on it and, well, you have stuff delivered. Woo! That was close. Oh, so much money. I need you guys to calm down a second. Ooh. Tell me. Ooh. Okay. Well, this is a vending machine, if we can use it. We said that we want to go up there. Okay. Haha, look at him. You better stay there and don't move. Okay. You go up there. Nope. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Fudge. Okay, here we go. Whoop. Oh, I can't. Oh, jeez, that was disgusting. Oh. Ooh. Okay, better keep moving. Ooh, oh, there's that guy already. Ooh. Okay, no good. No. No good, no good, no good. Oh, flange. Okay. We need to find something. Find something. Oh my god. Come here. What are you doing? No, it doesn't work. Whoa. Okay. No, no, no.
Alex, you still there?
Nope, I'm not. And here you have it, guys. As you can see, this mod was pretty awesome, and it's amazing that we can have these kind of mods already for Half Life Alyx, even if we don't have a direct SDK from Valve already. Valve, by the way, promised to give the SDK to devs, so people are going to be able to build games and stuff with the same engine, the Source 2, directly in VR. So from that moment, everything is going to be very, very interesting, because as we saw in the past, the Source 1 used to recreate like Half-Life 1 on Half-Life 2 with the Black Mesa project. Well, the same thing is going to probably happen this time with the new Source 2. Maybe we're going to be able to play Half-Life 2, we're going to be able to play Half-Life 1, made again with this amazing engine, with these amazing graphics that we are so used now with Half-Life Alyx. Now, of course, we're gonna have to consider this mod like an alpha or a beta, because it's already impressive that we have something like this that we can play right now. But of course, expect some bugs or things that are not gonna work. Hopefully in the future, we're gonna be able to see something like also a progressive system for the weapons that we don't have right now. We have just the basic weapons right now. Or maybe some co-op and multiplayer, having in the future maybe a multiplayer where we can play together with people or play against people with that kind of gunplay will be really mind-blowing. Probably you're gonna have to wait for the SDK for something like that to arrive, but because we saw also people making mod for a non-VR version that I completely don't understand and I don't support at all, maybe we're gonna see something like that as well. At the end of the day, we have done Skyrim VR, together VR, to have multiplayer, so yeah. Never know, right? But here you have it, guys. Let me know what you'd like to see on this mod. Do you actually enjoy it? Did you try it already? Did you finish Half-Life Alyx? If not, do so please, because it's totally worth it. And it's kind of hard to talk about it because you never know if people already finished it or not. At the end of the thing, it's like just amazing, and you know, you don't want to spoil anything. But yeah, as always, guys, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the videos, like. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech and videos like this one, and I see you guys next video. Thanks for watching, ciao, stay safe, and of course remember to leave a thumbs up also on the page on the mod, so it's gonna have even more visibility for new people to discover. So see you guys later.